Hey everyone, it's me, Megan with Fun Designs by Megan, and I'm back, this time not for a tutorial, but something even funner. Okay, maybe not as fun, but it's pretty fun. So I am doing a giveaway over on my Facebook group. It is Tumbler Tutorials and More with Fun Designs by Megan. I will link it down here in the description box, but I'm going to be giving away this amazing advent calendar from AV Designs Co. This is going to be released next week on their website on the 1st. It's going to be released for $75, but I'm going to give this one away for free. And what it is, it's 25 days, so there's 25 spots you can punch out, and each spot holds a 1 ounce glitter. Come on, y'all. 25 ounces of glitter in this box. So you'll be able to win this. So all you got to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, comment done underneath the video. So comment done down there. Give me a thumbs up. I mean, you don't have to, but you can. I appreciate it if you do. And then roll on over to Facebook, join my Facebook group to Tumbler Tutorials and More. And on Monday, October 31st, around noon Central Time, I am going to be announcing the winner to this amazing box. Okay, so you're not going to want to miss this. It's super exciting. This is literally my go-to vinyl place, and I have some of her glitters, and it's amazing. You guys, you're going to love it. So, and come on, look at this box. Who wouldn't want to win that box? I know, it's so cute. Anyway, so make sure you're doing all of those. I'll put it down in the description box what you got to do so you can make sure you do it. And if you don't follow me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok because I'm going to be announcing the winner there too. So yeah, I hope to see you all in my Facebook group. It's a new Facebook group. I'll tell you a little bit about it before I get off of here. So for months now, I have been asked to create a Facebook group, and I didn't know if I wanted to do it. It's a lot of work. It's kind of scary, and I went ahead and did it. So this Facebook group is going to be a Facebook group where you guys can come hang out with me. You can share all of your work. You can share the designs that you have created using my tutorials. It's going to be a place where I'll be doing giveaways, hanging out live with you guys, working live, just all of that fun stuff. I want to be able to interact with you guys more than just on YouTube, just on Facebook, just on TikTok. I want it to be a place where we can all hang out. And this Facebook group is going to be extra special because I have been bullied, and I want this to be a place where it's a safe zone, and there will be no bullying. I absolutely will not tolerate any bullying, no being ugly. It's a place that is safe. It is a safe zone in the Tumbler world, and there's not a lot of them anymore. It's a place where you can post your work. You can ask for help. You can do what you want, not necessarily what you want, but it's a place where you can post your products, and if someone asks, hey, where did you get that glitter? You can share your supplier on there without being attacked because that supplier might not be on the main creators list, okay, or they don't have a code with them. I see that all the time in groups, and I absolutely hate it. So this is a place where you can share your supplier. If you have a code, you can share that code with them. It's not going to hurt my feelings even if I have a code with them. I want it to be a place where we can all share, learn, and grow. And so I created this group for that. So please, go join my group. This giveaway is on Monday. Lots of giveaways to come in the next 30 days with lots of tutorials dropping on this channel. So just keep your eyes out, and I hope to see you all there in my group. Come say hi, and I will talk to you all soon. Have a good weekend, and good luck. Bye, everyone.